Hi, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Manufacturing Strong, Connecting Our Community. Today, I have Nick Amorese from Kodak Alaris. Nick, thanks for being on the episode.
Of course, David. Thanks for having me.
Nick, tell us a little bit about the background behind Kodak Alaris.
Sure, yes. So Kodak Alaris was born out of the Eastman Kodak bankruptcy. So our business formed when that all went down, and I work for the actual Alaris division inside of that organization. That is our scanner and software division, where we deal with business processing outsourcing agencies, government agencies, large healthcare facilities, and insurance agencies.
So you guys are going through a unique position given that you just started your new fiscal year here just a few days ago. How has this really impacted you all, and what are you guys doing differently with your business partners and your customers?
Yeah, definitely. So we typically hold our live kickoff meetings around the world in April and May. Obviously, those aren't happening right now, and there was a lot of planning that went into putting those together. So we've quickly pivoted away from doing live kind of virtual, or doing live trainings and having virtual sessions where all of those same partners and constituents can get together and get their new product training, their product roadmap development cycle items taken care of, and also have recognition around and achievements around what happened over the past 12 months.
If you were to have an opportunity right now just to step back and connect with your peers and ask them one question around all this, what would it actually be right now?
Yeah, so I think the one question I really like to know is how those organizations are staying connected both internally with their own teams and then also with their partners and customers that are using their products. So as an example, internally, we do a Friday happy hour with our internal teams that keeps everybody kind of on the same page. We can keep faces kind of flowing back and forth with each other, tell some cool stories that happened over the last week, and kind of stay connected that way.
Nick, thanks for being on the episode.
Of course. Thanks for having me, David.